Hey everybody, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and I have a GE dryer. And just a quick tip, this is when I'm refurbishing, and I noticed trying to find an issue with it. Didn't really find one. Customer said it takes 2 or 3 times to dry, and their air ducts and everything actually was good, because usually it's an air duct issue and not the dryer. So had some lint in there. So just a quick tip, guys can clean these things out. I kind of dismantled it already and didn't decide to do a video. It's kind of backwards. So this was in the drum. So you remove this screen, heat shield, and all that was full of lint. So clean all that out. And then this was mounted here, right? And so it was kind of cracked. So the plastic was cracked on it, and so I'm replacing it with another one. Lint Screen is extremely dirty and gross looking, so that's going to get replaced with a new one. But let me show you the original that was on it. Was this. So this is the one that was on it, and it was cracked right there, and also had a hole here. So when you're refurbishing these things, you want to replace this, because this will actually cause holes in your customer's clothes, which is not good. But also, as far as the air restriction, clean this out, so I got all that gross looking lint out of there. But seeing it at this view, look at that. This is the air intake that sucks in all the moist air and the lint and stuff, and the other side is the lint trap. But this thing is sealed shut with lint, and this something like this is easy to miss because you're not really inside the dryer. Just the back of it you kind of see. So all that is, actually I'll put up to the light. There you go, look at that. Look at all that lint. So this thing could not breathe. So I'm sure all the moisture stayed inside the dryer. So that needs to be cleaned out. I mean, I'm changing this out, but if you got one, you just can't figure out how come it won't dry clothes even though it's getting hot and everything. Take the door off and just look at the grate here. Because that is so easy to miss. Because it looks, especially like if you were doing this in a laundry room. I mean, good news is I'm doing this outside and I can see it. But if you're doing this like in a laundry room with dim light, you'll easily miss this. So you don't even have to take it apart. You just poke, use your screwdriver and just poke the holes and that stuff will come out. Or just, take the whole thing off. Be careful, because these things are all plastic, so they're easy to break. And you hit that with a shop vac and that'll come right out. So, yeah, so this is a little advanced. So if you got a GE dryer, this is a class of GE dryers. The GE dryer takes a little while to dry clothes. Check this grate out. Other than that, the basic solution is obviously a clogged up vent hose, a bird's nest on the outside vent possibly, something. But anytime it takes 2 or 3 times to dry clothes, it's because the hot air is not escaping. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you stay up to date with all my different tech tips. This is Reggie with A-Team Appliance.